Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Adalo for deploying a mobile app quickly, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Adalo, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in adalo.com and hit enter. Once the Adalo homepage loads, look for the Get Started for Free button. Click on the Get Started for Free button. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Choose a strong password that meets the security criteria. Click the Sign Up button to proceed. You may receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open your email and locate the message from Adalo. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the Adalo homepage and log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Adalo dashboard. Explore the various templates available for mobile app creation. Select a template that suits your app idea or choose to start from scratch. Click on the chosen template to open the app builder. On the left side, you will find the app design options available. Drag and drop elements from the Components panel to your app screen. Customize each element by clicking on it and adjusting its properties. Continue building your app by adding screens and linking them together. Once you're satisfied with your app design, click on the Preview button to test it. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview results. When ready, navigate to the Publish section of the dashboard. Choose your preferred platform for deployment, iOS or Android. Follow the prompts to fill in required information for app submission. Upload any necessary assets, such as your app icon and splash screen. Review all the details you've provided to ensure accuracy. Finally, click the Publish App button to complete the registration process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.